Hi, my name is Teresa, and this is Yarn Again. I do appreciate you coming by. If you could like and subscribe, that would be awesome. This is Mary Maxim Monday. This is the January kit that just arrived in time for this video. This is the one we've been waiting for. If you've watched the other Mary Maxim Mondays, you will know I've been waiting for this kit. I was so excited to get it. This kit will make a 28 by 12 inch bag, that lovely striped bag that you see there. The kit comes with everything you need except for your needles, scissors, and your darning needle or hooks. If you join, you could join for crochet or you could join for knitting. I don't know what the knitting costs. I'm pretty sure it costs the same. It's $16.99 a month with $4 and change shipping. Comes about to $22. This is not an affiliation. I do pay for this with my own money. And it says 5 of these balls will make that hat. There are no color specs on it. This package, except for the number 14. You can wash it in 30 degrees Celsius. It is a 5/6 needle or a hook, 100-gram little ball. It is soft. This color is more of a pumpkin-y. It's coming off a little bright here. And then you have 2 balls of gray for the base of the bag. And then you have this lovely teal and lovely red. They are not as bright as they are showing on the video, but that's the colors. And I have not yet started this project because I wanted to share it with you first. And that's our bag. When the bag is completed, you can also use it for the grocery store. And it's washable. So that's nice, because when you use those plastic bags, it's no. You can't. You don't clean them. Okay. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I would like it if you could join. We'll have more fun as we go on, and I get better at this. If you could leave your DNA and a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And share and subscribe. And I'll see you around the YouTube streets.